Hello everyone, welcome back to Gruhinisworld. Paneer is one of the most special vegetarian option which is very rich in protein and makes best side for roti, chapati or dosa. Today I am going to show you special Kadai Paneer with homemade Kadai Masala. Also, I'll be showing you Kadai Masala recipe in large quantity so that you can store it and use it for all your delicious Kadai recipes. So, let's get started. Let's make big batch of kadai masala. Let's heat the pan. And now pan is hot enough. Let's add 4 tablespoons of coriander seeds and dry roast them on low flame for 2 minutes. Coriander seeds are well roasted and we can see that they are easily cracking, so let's transfer onto plate to cool it down. Next, I am adding 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds and 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, roasting them on low flame for 2 minutes. Cumin seeds and fennel seeds are well roasted and we can feel sweet aroma out of it. So, let's transfer onto plate to cool it down. Now let's add our spice ingredient red chilies. I am removing stem here. You can keep it as per your choice. Adding 6 spice red chilies and 10 Kashmiri red chilies for color and flavor. 1 tablespoon black peppercorns. Friends, I am going to share a small tip to avoid strong and pungent flavor from red chilies. Add some black salt or rock salt which will avoid spreading out strong flavor from chilies. Let's dry roast them for 2 minutes on low flame. Do not worry about salt, it will not burn. Peppercorns started popping. So, let's add our final ingredient which is 2 tablespoons kasuri methi. Let's dry roast for just 1 more minute on low flame. We can see everything is well roasted. So, let's transfer all of them onto plate and let them cool down. All the spices are cooled down. Let's transfer them into mixer jar and make it into fine powder. We should not grind masala continuously to avoid forming lumps in masala due to heat inside the jar. Our masala is now ready. Friends, we can feel great aroma of super flavorful kadai masala. We need to cool it down completely before transferring into airtight jar and store it fresh for 6 months. Now let's start making our delicious kadai paneer. I am adding 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot enough, add 1 tablespoon prepared kadai masala. Let's simmer the flame to avoid burning of masala. After 30 seconds, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Let it cook for 30 seconds. Now adding 1 medium onion which is cut into cubes. No need to fry onions for longer. Just 2 minutes on medium flame is enough. Now that onions are little translucent, reduce the flame to simmer and let's add 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well and let's cook all the spices for 1 minute until raw flavor is gone. Now adding puree of 2 medium tomatoes. We can add chopped tomatoes as well as per our convenience. Mix well, close the lid and let's cook tomato puree for 5 minutes on medium flame until little oil oozes out. We can see tomatoes has been well cooked and some oil is oozing out. Now we can add available colors of bell peppers or capsicum. Here I forgot to add red bell pepper as my son gets naughty sometimes and hides some of my ingredients for fun. Mix well and let's cook all the peppers for 5 minutes on medium flame. By now veggies must be half cooked. Now let's add half cup yogurt. Mix well again, close the lid and cook for 2 minutes on low flame. Friends, we can see how colorful it is. Now let's add our main ingredient 200 grams of paneer, which is good enough for 3 to 4 people. Let's fry paneer in all masalas for 2 minutes on medium flame. Now I am adding 1.5 cups of water for nice gravy consistency. Mix well and check the salt at this stage. Add salt if necessary as per your taste. And let the water come to boil. Water started boiling. Now let's close the lid and cook for 5 more minutes on medium flame. Friends, can you see how vibrant this gravy has turned out? Now let's finally add 1 more tablespoon of prepared kadai masala. I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of jaggery as my curd and tomatoes are little sour. It's completely optional, you can skip it. Friends, our kadai paneer is now ready and we can enjoy crunchy onions and capsicum soaked with flavorful kadai masala, giving an authentic taste for this paneer recipe. Kadai paneer tastes very good with roti, chapati, and I have also tried this with dosa, which was a wonderful combination. I'm sure you'll try this recipe and enjoy the same delicious taste and make your lunch or dinner very special. If you like our videos, please do like, share and subscribe Gruhinisworld. And don't forget to share your feedback in comment section below. Thank you.